Hello. Some days are about big projects. Others are about the everyday jobs that keep a hotel's IT systems running reliably behind the scenes. Recently, we upgraded UPS units and network switches at a 5-star London hotel. It's just another routine day for our friendly IT engineers who do become part of your team. If you're wondering what a UPS is, it basically just keeps critical systems like your check-in, your Wi-Fi and your CCTV up and running during power blips. And a modern network switch infrastructure ensures fast, stable connectivity throughout the hotel. It's probably not the most glamorous part of hotel operations, of course, but staying ahead with IT replacements is one of the smartest ways to protect your guest experience and your team's productivity. And if your equipment is creeping past its best, it might be time for a refresh before it starts to cause problems. If so, contact us. Hotality, the hotel technology specialists. Thank you for watching and listening. Take care. See you on the next video. Bye bye.